This is the home reference book. Usually the home inspector need to learn this book. So in this book, it introduced every part of the house. So give you a lot of pictures. Basically, if you're new, you still can understand each part, and they very detailed labeled what's this and what's underneath and what's their function. And you see all these descriptions are mainly focused on the problems. For example, if you got leak, or this is talking about roofing, how to re-roof, how to deal with the leak, and what's the structure, what's the different layer of the roof you need to know. This is the table of contents. This is the roof, exterior, the house, structural, and electrical, heating, cooling, heat pumps, insulation, plumbing, interior, appliances, life cycle, and cost. This is mainly the, for example, roof, how long you expected, and how much to replace them. This is roughly the reference, and this is the some hazards you usually meet in the home. And this is home setup and home maintenance program. It means that when you move in the new home, what you need to do. This is a very good book to buy for homeowners because the language here is very concise. You basically know each problem very quickly and you understand what's going on there. But it's not like a DIY or instruction book. It won't tell you how to do the job. It won't tell you what material you need to buy. It just shows you what is this. So how it works and what's the problem usually. So by reading this book, you can easily identify the issues, the problems, you know who to hire, who you're looking for. But if you want to do the job, this is not a book for you. Alright, this is the review of this book. Hopefully it is helpful. Thank you for watching.